Hello students, today we will study chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilaterals of the book Maths Works published by Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited. In this chapter we will learn about polygons, regular and irregular polygon, some of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon, properties of parallelogram, convex and concave polygons, angle sum property, types of quadrilateral, and some special parallelograms. Myself, Rajni Gupta. So let's begin with the chapter. When a number of points are joined without lifting a pencil, we obtain a plane curve. Clear? A plane curve may be closed or open. These are the example of the curves. This is first figure is simple curve. A curve can be open or closed. This is the example of closed curve. You must know that in our day-to-day life, the word curve means not straight. But in mathematics, it can be straight. Polygons. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. These are the example of few polygons. Polygons are classified according to the number of sides or their vertices. If they have 3 sides, then it is known as triangle. Its shape is like this. It has 3 vertices. If it has 4 sides, it is known as quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral. If it has 5 sides, it is known as pentagon. This is pentagon. 6 side hexagon, 7 side heptagon, 8 side octagon. Clear? And 9 side nonagon, 10 decagon. Diagonals of a polygon. A diagonal is a line segment which connect two non-adjacent vertices of a polygon. Non-adjacent vertices matlab जो opposite side में. In the given figure, here is the figure ABCD. In the given figure C, AC and BD are the diagonals. These are connecting the opposite sides, non-adjacent vertices. Now we come to the regular and irregular polygon. A polygon in which all the sides and angles are equal is called regular polygon. These are the example of regular polygon, triangle and the square. Polygons which do not have equal side and equal angle are called irregular polygon. A rectangle is the example of an irregular polygon. As you can see, its two sides are equal. Angle sum property. In previous classes, you have learned the angle sum property of a triangle. What is that? Sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here we will learn about the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, which says that the sum of all the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree or 4 right angle. One right angle is equal to 90 degree, so 4 right angle. 90 degree into 4 is equal to 360 degree. Let's do one problem based on the angle sum property of the quadrilateral. This is the problem. If three angles of a quadrilateral are 45 degree, 75 degree and 180 degree, find the fourth angle of the quadrilateral. So let the fourth angle of the quadrilateral be x. And as we know from the angle sum property, sum of all the four angles is equal to 360 degree. 45 degree plus 75 degree plus 120 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all three numbers is equal to 240 degree. So 240 डिग्री को हम उधर ले जाएंगे RHS पे, साइन भी इसका चेंज हो जाएगा. So what will we get? X is equal to 120 degree. Clear? This is the exercise based on the what we have read earlier. Now next topic is sum of the measure of the exterior angle of the polygon. So what are exterior angle? As you can see this figure PQRST, ये 1, ये 2, 3, 4 ये कहलाते हैं हमारे exterior angle. Sum of the measure of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 360 degree. Each interior angle of a regular polygon of n side, interior angle will be n minus 2 upon n into 180 degree. You can find using this formula. Exterior angle of a regular polygon of n side will be equal to 360 degree upon n. So next exercise is based on the above formula itself. Now we comes on the types of the quadrilateral. One is parallelogram, then is rectangle, then is rhombus, then is square, kite and trapezium. What are all these? A parallelogram in which pair of the opposite side are parallel and equal. This is ABCD. So AB will be equal to DC and AD will be equal to BC. In rectangle, all the opposite side will be equal. AB will be equal to CD and BC will be equal to AD. In rhombus, all the sides will be equal. In square, all the sides will be equal. Kite, in which PQRS is a kite, PQ will be equal to PS and QR will be equal to RS. Trapezium, opposite one pair of the opposite side is parallel. PQ will be parallel to SR. Then we come on the properties of parallelogram. It has the following properties. Opposite side of parallelogram are equal, opposite angle of the parallelogram are equal, and diagonal of the parallelogram bisect each other. Let's do one problem based on the properties of the parallelogram. In a parallelogram ABCD, angle A is equal to 75 degree. What are the measures of the remaining angle? This is the given parallelogram where angle A is 75 degree. You have to find out the measure of the remaining parallelogram. So as we know, angle A and angle B are the adjacent angles. Angle A and angle B. This. So its sum will be 180 degree. Angle B is equal to, what we will do, A को उधर ले जाएंगे राइट हैंड साइड पे. A की वैल्यू हमें पता है which is 75 डिग्री. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 180 डिग्री से तो we will get 105 degree. So these are the problem based on the properties of the parallelogram and exercise based on that. Now some special parallelogram. Rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all four sides are equal. It has all the properties of the parallelogram. This is rhombus, ABCD. And these are its properties. Again, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal of the rhombus. Opposite angle will also be equal. And diagonal will bisect each other. These are the diagonals which are bisecting. एक दूसरे को काट रही हैं. इसमें AO जो है, O will be central point. AO will be equal to OC, BO will be equal to OD. These are the problems based on the rhombus. Now we come on the another parallelogram, that is rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle. Property of rectangle are each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Next is the diagonal of a right angle are also equal. Diagonal again which bisect AC and BD. So these will be equal. Now square. A square is a rectangle and at the same time it is a rhombus also. It has all the properties of rectangle as well as rhombus. Following are the properties of the square. All the sides of the square are equal, as we all know. Opposite sides are parallel. Each angle of a square is a right angle. Diagonal of a square are also equal. Diagonal of a square bisect. एक दूसरे को काटती हैं. So based on the property of square, we will be solving this problem. In the given figure, BEST is a square. Find angle SBT. BEST. BEST. We have to find which angle? Angle SBT. SBT. So as we know that angle of a square is 90 degree. BTS is 90 degree. So it is given in the question. All angles are of 90 degree. In triangle BTS, BT is equal to ST, this sides. So angle will also be equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angles of opposite sides are equal, property of the square. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BTS is equal to 180 degree. angle sum property of the triangle BTS. So by calculating this, we will get the value of angle SBT 45 degree. Based on this, exercise is also given. So students, this was the chapter, and revision exercises given at the end of the chapter. As you can see, MCQs are given, fill in the blanks. This was the chapter on quadrilateral. Thank you for watching the video.